Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting with our numerical questions of our chapter number 4. Let's look at the first question. Okay, it's a simple chapter. Why? Because now we already know the admission of partner. So the first question is, Aparna, Manisha and Sonia are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Manisha, the middle one, retires and goodwill of the firm is valued at 1,80,000. Aparna and Sonia decided to share future profits. So old ratio is given, new ratio is given. Okay, see, it's not the same. Okay, if I just put ahead like this, the new ratio just comes to 3:1, but they decided that the new ratio is to be 3:2. So we need to calculate the gaining ratio also. Pass necessary journal entries. Okay, let's see. Okay, numerical question. First of all, I'll start with working note. Okay, working note 1, calculation of Manisha's share of goodwill. So let's see Manisha's share, that is 3:2:1, total goodwill multiply by Manisha's share, that is 1,80,000 multiply by 2/6. Okay, 63 is the 18 to 3 into 2, 60,000 is her share of goodwill. Now, second thing, calculation of gaining ratio. Okay, let's see calculate. So, gaining ratio equals to new ratio minus old ratio. In case of the first partner, Aparna equals to new ratio is 3/5, old ratio was 3/6. So 18 minus 15, that is 3/30 is her gaining ratio. And the last, Sonia was the last partner. Sonia 2/5 and her ratio was 1/6. Okay, so she is gaining 12 minus 5, 7/30. So the gaining ratio becomes 3:7. 3:7. Yes, got it. Now this 60,000 has to be divided into 3:7. Share of goodwill, Aparna's share is what? 60,000 into 3/10 equals to 18,000, and Sonia's share into 7/10 equals to 42, not 42, 42 and 42, 50 and 60, yes, correct. So now the working notes are over. What we need is, we need to find out, do the journal entries. So journal, what is the journal? Who is going to gaining debit to sacrificing? So Aparna's capital account debit, Sonia's capital account debit. 2, who is the outgoing partner, to Manisha. How much Manisha will get? Manisha will get 60,000. How she will get her 60,000? 18,000 from Aparna and 42,000 from Sonia. Okay, in the gaining ratio. And I guess our question here is done. So the most important thing was calculation of these working notes. Okay, if the working note calculation is done, then the journal entry is always gaining partners to sacrificing partners. Here it will be divided in gaining ratio, here it will be divided in sacrificing ratio. Here only one partner is sacrificing, so entire amount is going to that partner. Let's see question number 2. Sangeeta, Saroj and Shanti are partners sharing profits in the ratio 2:3:5. Goodwill is appearing in the books at a value of 60,000. Okay, it's already there in the books. Sangeeta retires and goodwill is valued at 90,000. Okay. Saroj and Shanti decide to share future profits equally. Okay, so we need to find out gaining ratio as well, record necessary journal entry. So simple, the old goodwill needs to be given to old partners. Okay, then who is going? Sangeeta is going. So from this 90,000, Sangeeta's share needs to be calculated. And who will give this share to Sangeeta? The Saroj and Shanti. The gaining partners in the gaining ratio will give. Okay, just remember the old goodwill is to be distributed amongst the old partners in the old ratio. So, this question number 2. Journal, the first journal entry is old goodwill, will be distributed among old partners in the old ratio. So, Sangeeta's capital account debit, Saroj capital account debit, Shanti capital account debit. 2. Goodwill. Now, what was the old goodwill? It was given in the books at 60,000. Now, this 60,000 is to be distributed in the old ratio. What is the old ratio? I don't remember. The old ratio is 2:3:5. Okay. So, 60,000 in 2:3:5. 60,000 to 12,000. 18 and 30. Okay. Old ratio 2:3:5. Okay. Now the old goodwill is gone. Now what we need to find know the new goodwill, and to know the new goodwill, who will give to whom, we need to find out the retiring partner's share as well as the gaining ratio. So let's see. Working note. First working note, calculation of Sangeeta's share of goodwill. Calculation of Sangeeta's share of goodwill. How to calculate that? Total goodwill of the firm multiplied by Sangeeta's share, that is 90,000. Yeah, because old goodwill is already gone, so 90,000. So 3/10. Yes, 3/10 or 2/10. Sangeeta was the first one, right? Yes, Sangeeta, it was 2/10. That comes to 18,000. Now, who will give this 18,000? So, we need to calculate the gaining ratio. Okay, we have to calculate the gaining ratio because the new ratio is different. Okay, they decided to have the different new ratio. So, calculation of gaining ratio, which is new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, Sangeeta is already going. So who's remaining? Saroj and Shanti is remaining. Saroj's new ratio, now they have decided equally, so has to be 1 upon 2. Earlier it was 3 upon 10. Yeah, so let's make this also 10. Yeah, 5 minus 3 is 2 by 10. Shanti equals to, again 1 by 2 minus 3 is to 2, 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is also 1 by 2. So 0. So only Saroj is gaining. So if only Saroj is gaining, Saroj will only pay the 18,000 goodwill to Sangeeta. So Saroj's capital account debit to Sangeeta's capital account. Now this is what? 18,000, 18,000. Okay, only Saroj is what? Only Saroj is sacrificing, so only Saroj will share this, give her this goodwill. Okay, let's do one more question. Or first look at this question. I hope you have copied the journal entries. This is for old goodwill, which was already in the books. This is the 90,000 they have valued, and this is the simple calculation how we reached at this figure. Here she is 0. Okay, that's why Shanti is not going to give any share in goodwill. Okay, great. Next question, let's see. Yeah. Himanshu, Gagan and Naman are partners sharing profits. Sharing profits and the losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 on March 1. Naman retires, the last one retires on March 31. The various assets and liabilities of the firm on the date were as follows. Cash was 10,000, building 1 lakh, plant and machinery 40,000, stock 20,000, debtors 20,000 and investment 30,000. So okay, this was cool. The following was agreed upon between the partners on Naman's retirement. Building is to be appreciated by 20%, so 20,000 gain. Plant and depreciated by 10%, so 4,000 loss. A provision of 5% of debtors to be carried, so 1,000 rupee, and stock was to be valued at 18,000. Earlier the stock is 20,000 to 2,000 loss, and investment at 35,000, 5,000 gain. Record necessary journal entry to the above effect and prepare revaluation account. Okay, they've asked us to do revaluation account, so let's first prepare revaluation account only. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's look at the revaluation. Building is to be appreciated by 20%. So building 20%, 1 lakh was the building, so 20,000. Okay, then there was what? Plant was depreciating, 4,000 we calculated. Yes, yeah. After that, what was, I forgot, let's check. Building, I remember 20%, which was 20,000, plant 10% was 4,000, correct. Provision 5% was 1,000, and stock, there is a loss of 2,000, investment, there is a profit of 5,000, okay. Cool. I guess this is 25, this is what, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7,000. So 25,000 minus 7,000, how much do we get? We get 18,000. So 18,000 is our profit. Oh, incorrect. This is 25. 18,000, and this will go to all partners in all ratio. Profit transfer to capital account of who were the partner? Himanshu, Gagan, Naman, 3:2:1. Yeah. 3:2:1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6. So 3,000 into 3, 9,000, 3,000 into 2, 6,000, 3,000 into 1, 3,000. That's how we had to do this. Let's do journal entries also for this. Now, see, building and investment going up. So, building account debit, investment account debit, to revaluation account 20 and 5. Yes. Now, second is losses. Revaluation account debit to plant, to provision for doubtful debts, to stock. Okay, these were the three losses, 4, 1 and 2. Yes, and finally the revaluation profit is going to go. To Himanshu's capital, Gagan's capital, Naman's capital. In 9, 6 and 3. It's 18,000. Okay, and that's how the question will be done. We'll see you in the next question video when we'll be doing the few questions more. Thank you so much.